Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Prestige PIC 16.0 Plus Induction Cooktop. You can see the image of the cooktop right over here, right on top of the box. I will obviously give you a closer look. It says over here, Indian menu options, pause function for added convenience, aerodynamic cooling system, automatic voltage regulator, unique design for protection against insects. This is made in India. It also is IS certified and has power saver technology. Let's quickly see if we have some extra information. There seems to be some information over here, some specifications are mentioned. It says Indian menu option. Basically what was written on the box, but with more detail. The cooktop comes ready with Indian menu options that helps you prepare authentic Indian food like chapati, idli and dosa. Intelligent full procedure computer control, automatic power and temperature adjustment, automatic voltage regulator. It comes with an inbuilt automatic voltage regulator. Heating is flame free, hence cooking process is very safe without any environmental hazards, easy maintenance and energy saving as well. That's all the information on the box. I will now open this and show you what's inside. So this is what you will find inside the box. We have a user manual for the Prestige PIC 16.0 Plus. Everything that you want to know is mentioned over here. It's a very important document. It also comes with warranty information, so don't lose this document under any circumstances. I'm going to keep this over here. And this is the induction cooktop in question. This is the Prestige PIC 16.0 Plus. This comes with a ceramic heating plate, as you can see. This heating plate should not be touched when you're being used or right after it has been used. It takes a while to cool down. And okay, at the bottom over here there are a lot of control options that you can see. Right at the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 preset buttons for different kind of cooking. There's pressure cooking, curry, making curry, dosa, chapati, idli, deep fry, etc. So these include your Indian menu options as well. The control panel also comes with a power on/off button, a start and pause button, plus/minus button for setting temperature and time, and there's also a timer button right over here. All right. Underneath, notice that there is a fan. This is the fan which will vent out hot air and keep this induction cooker cool once it's done cooking. The vent starts when you start cooking, but once you're done cooking, once you have switched off the temperature setting, this will continue to spin, and this will continue to spin because it will want to cool down the ceramic plate on top. So until that happens, you should not be touching this ceramic plate. It also comes with 4 anti-slip rubber stops. This gives a bit of stability to this cooktop when you're cooking it. Finally, there is a thick PVC power cable at the back with a 3-pin plug at the end. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Prestige PIC 16.0 Plus Induction Cooktop. Thank you for watching.